Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be organizing my office. So recently, my brother and I went to the Windsor Harvest Festival. It's a festival we have here in our local town, and I took some stuff as my photography company, Colorado Photography, and so I printed a lot of canvases and stuff like that, stretched them around frames to be able to sell them at the festival. My brother, he owns a shirt company, so he did all the shirts and everything for the festival as well. And we set up a booth and sold a lot of stuff there. It was actually a lot of fun. Maybe I'll make a video about that one of these days. But ever since that festival, my office has got just a little bit cluttered. So I decided I'd clean it up and decided I'd take you guys along on that journey. But first, let's take a look at how this office looks right now. It's gotten just a little bit cluttered in here. So I'm gonna get things cleaned up, and why don't you guys join me? Let's have some fun. Well, got the whole office organized and ready to go. So go ahead and take a look. Tell me what you guys think. Well, I know that video wasn't much, but it was me cleaning the office and it was something to post, so I decided to make it. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, it always helps to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button, that way you're notified when I post more videos. Anyways, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.